Good day, and thank you for joining me. You see, when I'm talking about disrespect from this government to humanity, some people will come on my page and be talking all manner of things. Listen, politics aside, take politics aside. These people don't have respect for humanity. Tinubu, APC, and all of them. When I mean all of them, everybody that is supporting Tinubu, they have one agenda. They have disrespect for humans. Now, it's a big shame, very big shame, that Tinubu and his cohorts will forge a letter from Catholic bishops, a letter from Catholic organization in Nigeria, trying to discredit those bishops that visited Tinubu, trying to say that they are not part of that visit, that and whatever those people said is not the Catholic stand. That will tell you how far these people can go. They were caught red-handed, forging a letter from Catholic body, trying to discredit John Onaeko and all the people that went to Aso Rock to visit Tinubu. Because they've been sitting on hot seats since that time. It had been a very serious issue on them. And now they are trying all manner of things to discredit those bishops. What manner of human being is this? This is the same man that organized fake bishops just because people were talking about Muslim tickets. He organized fake bishops to make it look like they are the ones supporting him, that the bishops are supporting him, or that the Catholic and the Christian Association of Nigeria is supporting him. Now, before I move further, I just want to remind us of the role of these bishops in the scheme of things, in the politics of Nigeria. These guys don't owe anybody anything. What they want is a good government, and it's embedded in Catholic. Catholic teaches discipline. Catholic teaches rules of law. In Catholic, there are rules. There are rules. So each time you see them come out, it means that something is not right. They don't just come out anyhow, especially when cardinals are involved. That one is number one. Number two, these same people warned Abacha. They warned Abacha about his tyranny. At some point, the Pope had to come to Nigeria. Pope John Paul at that time had to come to Nigeria and visited Abacha, warned him about what he's doing to Nigerians. He refused. All of us know the result. Today, there is this thing that people normally say, who the gods want to kill, they first of all make blind. You see, the warning is coming. The warning is coming. I read a portion of Bible that when Moses was warning Pharaoh, it was the hand of God. God told him, go and tell Pharaoh, but I will harden his heart. That is when God wants to deal with you. Exactly what is happening to Tinubu today. The God is now hardening his heart. He is doing all manner of things to Nigerians, and God hardened his heart. So everything that is being sent to him as a message is falling on deaf ears, because God is about to do something in Nigeria. I don't wish him death, no way. I want him to leave. and see the transformation of Nigeria. No way, I'm not. No. I want him alive. To see Nigeria transform. To see Nigeria that he refuses to build, being built. To see a working Nigeria. That's exactly my prayer for him. But when the warnings were going to Pharaoh, Pharaoh refused. He refused to heed the warning. He refused. Just the way this one is doing now. And when God will strike, it will be deadly. And all of us will see it. It happened to Abacha. Nobody thought Abacha will ever leave that seat. But it happened. Because God hardened his heart. Sent his messengers to him, he refused to listen. The way these ones are going to Tinubu, and he's refusing to listen. Even insulting them with his minions. Do you know who a bishop is? One bishop, do you know who he is? It's not easy to be a bishop. It's not easy to even be a reverend father. It's not an easy road. Insulting them, even going as far as forging a letter. That's an aberration. That's the height of insult. That's the height of it. It is a very serious issue. Nigerians, I've seen countries without rule of law. I've never seen Nigeria deteriorate to this very level. I've read about Uganda. I've read about tyrannical countries here and there where their leaders don't know what is called rule of law. I've never seen a country being ruled by this man like Nigeria. I've never seen. No country in the world is lawless as it stands today. Today, everybody is misbehaving. No be somebody where they prison, where they on death row is doing TikTok. Who is buying data for him? The warders. Who got the phone for him? The warders. How did he get the phone? You and I know exactly how he got the phone. And that guy confessed on TikTok that it's not only him, that many people in prison have phones. They are doing anyhow. In Nigeria today, you can easily buy chalet in prison. When I mean, like, you can buy hotels. You can buy hotels. What I mean is that you can rent a hotel and live there. You are still in prison, but you are in hotel. Nigeria is a joke, believe me. Everybody, because the head is rotten. That is why everybody is misbehaving. No, I'm not talking about ordinary citizens. No. We then don't be where the boxers reach with they. I'm talking about the people that are working with this guy in parastatal, in police, in army, in all the military. Everywhere you go, you see people misbehaving. In the judiciary, lawlessness everywhere. People dishing out judgment as if you are drinking Fura de Nuno. Everybody, this one in Kogi will give his judgment, the other one in Kwara will give another one. In the same country. That is because there are no rules of law. The guy in Abuja is messing everything up. So people are just misbehaving. All you need to do, give him his own court. Every other thing on I want to do with the other one is none of his business. Because to him, politics in Nigeria is transactional. It's transactional. That is why he wants to forge a letter from the bishop, a letter from Catholic, to discredit the people that are telling you the truth. And you know that what they were saying is the truth. And there is no doubt about it. Nigerians, this is a wake-up call for you to know if you want to continue with this one, or you want to say, we've tried Hausa, we've tried Fulani, we've tried Yoruba. We've tried Niger Delta. What is wrong in trying an Igbo man?